Hey there, Slingshot friends. So if you're checking out this product, our do-it-yourself die-cut Slingshot flatbands, then you are taking the next step to really getting the most out of the Slingshot hobby. So what this product is for folks that want to assemble their own bands. So what we've got here is we sell these in 5 different sizes. Now those 5 sizes are related to the most 5 common steel ball ammo sizes: 1/4 inch, 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, and 1/2 inch. So it's as simple as matching the bands to the ammo size you choose to shoot. So if you shoot 1/2 inch ammo, you would choose the 1/2 inch size. Likewise for every other size. Now we're going to get down to some of the caveats and how we can take advantage of these tapers and to get a little more performance and to suit them towards us better without actually cutting your own taper, which I highly recommend you do. But this is convenient. These are die cuts, so we know they're guaranteed precise cuts, as well as clean cuts, which is going to add to theoretically longer band life. So these come 270 millimeters long, roughly 10 inches. So you could, if tied them up and shot them at this length, would accommodate a band draw length up to maybe 50 inches, which is somewhere between a full butterfly and a face anchor. Most folks don't shoot in that range. Most folks have a much shorter draw, maybe to the corner of their ear, corner of their mouth, somewhere in the 28 to 32 inch range is more common. So now we can really start to take advantage of this taper to further fine tune for our specific needs. So first you're going to need to know what is your draw length. You probably already know this. If you don't, you can check it out in some of our other videos. Once you've assessed your draw length, you can then start to get a ballpark of what your active band length should be. Again, you can check out some videos on that. We're assuming you know this at this point. So once you know that, and you know that you've got the 1/4 inch bands here, and they're set up for shooting 1/4 inch steel, or the 10 millimeter practice ammo, the plastic ammo that we sell, or even the clay ammo. So this latex is the exact same latex, the same tapers that are in our flat band sets, our pre-made flat band sets. So if you know you like, say, the 3/8 steel band set that we offer, the 3/8 steel band set flat band strips are the exact same taper, exact same rubber. Now what you get when you buy our band set is that the bands have been tied at the most narrow end. In this case, that is 15 millimeters, 15 millimeter width. At 15 millimeter width, cut to an average draw length, we have good performance with 3/8 steel ammo in an over-the-top configuration without hand slap. That's important there, without hand slap. So now, if you like the performance of that band, but you wanted to get just a little bit more out of it, and say the 7/16 band sets were a bit too hot, you can build your own. So now, once you know your active band length, you can cut it from the narrow end first. That's going to give you a little bit more juice. So the only thing you really need to remember when choosing the flat band strips is if you purchase for the ammo size you prefer to shoot, you're going to be pretty close, whether you shoot over the top or through the forks. You can dial it in by cutting the band from the narrow end before you tie your pouch on to get a little bit more juice out of it. Likewise, if you like our flat band sets, if you tie it up at the narrow end and cut it as before, it will perform just like our flat band sets, but you've made it yourself. So you get a sense of pride, you get to know a little bit more about the process of slingshot shooting, and in the end, it'll make you a better shot. So there you are, one step closer to having even more fun with your slingshot. So as always, if you enjoy our content, like, comment, and subscribe, and be sure to ring the bell.